let's go.
You still rolling?
I'm ready. Yeah, it's still rolling, yeah. Yeah. Got it. All good.
Don't get damaged. Slowly. Good at the back.
All good. Just behind you. Man, this is an amazing trail. This is great, man. I think this is the best one we've had, right? This is amazing. Mountain bike paradise. And we hit the road again. Look at the view! Swargadwar! Oi! Nearly, I'm good. Oh, we're gonna get a picture here, man. Wow! Look at that! Hold on for a second, hold on. Let me just put the GoPro view there.
I hope it was rolling, eh?
It's still rolling.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at that. Heaven's Door, we call it. Swargadwar. It's one full rock. It's probably what, 1 mile? 1 mile long, right? Look at the Mashangi River. Oh man, life is beautiful. Life is good. Ah, what a view. You want to get some pictures here?
I think we should get down, do this and take pictures.
Okay, let's go. Let's carry on. It's still rolling. Go. Try and find some more trails, yeah? I think there's some in Timang. I know. All right.